Arizona counties and county seats: Apache, St. Johns; Cochise, Bisbee; Coconino, Flagstaff; Gila, Globe; Graham, Safford; Greenlee, Clifton; La Paz, Parker; Maricopa, Phoenix; Mojave, Kingman; Navajo, Holbrook; Pima, Tucson; Pinal, Florence; Santa Cruz, Nogales; Yavapai, Prescott; Yuma, Yuma. Now let's look at them all together. Apache, St. Johns; Cochise, Bisbee; Coconino, Flagstaff; Gila, Globe; Graham, Safford; Greenlee, Clifton; La Paz, Parker; Maricopa, Phoenix; Mojave, Kingman; Navajo, Holbrook; Pima, Tucson; Pinal, Florence; Santa Cruz, Nogales; Yavapai, Prescott; Yuma, Yuma. Now let's look at them on a map. Apache, St. Johns; Cochise, Bisbee; Coconino, Flagstaff; Gila, Globe; Graham, Safford; Greenlee, Clifton; La Paz, Parker; Maricopa, Phoenix; Mojave, Kingman; Navajo, Holbrook; Pima, Tucson; Pinal, Florence; Santa Cruz, Nogales; Yavapai, Prescott; Yuma, Yuma. Now let's quiz ourselves by adding the counties to the map in addition to the county seats. Apache, St. Johns; Cochise, Bisbee; Coconino, Flagstaff; Gila, Globe; Graham, Safford; Greenlee, Clifton; La Paz, Parker; Maricopa, Phoenix; Mojave, Kingman; Navajo, Holbrook; Pima, Tucson; Pinal, Florence; Santa Cruz, Nogales; Yavapai, Prescott; Yuma, Yuma. Now let's quiz ourselves once more. Apache, St. Johns; Cochise, Bisbee; Coconino, Flagstaff; Gila, Globe; Graham, Safford; Greenlee, Clifton; La Paz, Parker; Maricopa, Phoenix; Mojave, Kingman; Navajo, Holbrook; Pima, Tucson; Pinal, Florence; Santa Cruz, Nogales; Yavapai, Prescott; Yuma, Yuma. Take a moment to pause the video and quiz yourself on the county's seats for each of these counties. Now that you've quizzed yourself, let's look at the answers. Apache, St. Johns; Cochise, Bisbee; Coconino, Flagstaff; Gila, Globe; Graham, Safford; Greenlee, Clifton; La Paz, Parker; Maricopa, Phoenix; Mojave, Kingman; Navajo, Holbrook; Pima, Tucson; Pinal, Florence; Santa Cruz, Nogales; Yavapai, Prescott; Yuma, Yuma. I hope you got them all right. Those are Arizona counties and county seats.